We're here at an Azov headquarters near Mariupol, just west of Mariupol. So we're going to take you on a tour. You ready to go? We're going to go.
Stand for one of Ukrainian soldiers, and this guy seemed to have hated everybody. So he's anti-Antifa, anti-Islam, for Hitler, so basically anti-Semitic, anti-Turkish, anti-whatever, anti-Russian of course, somewhere I'm sure. Yeah, so basically hate, no mercy, basically hate everybody.
Yeah.
And there's this
Ukrainian hooligans, I like that.
just next to it. I think that's from another one. And you can see the same kind of thing here.
Yep.
So basically we are cool, so Azov, right?
Look at this, all cops are bastards.
Yes, exactly.
What the fuck?
We are nationalist, socialist, fascists. So it's out there in your face. They will not try to disguise it from themselves.
You know this,
And
right?
on this part, that's pretty, graphic. No mercy. And a Russian hat. Kill Russian. This is our land. Strike. Donbass will be ours. And very graphic.
They left all their belongings here, ammunition, everything. So come, I'll show you something there. So Azov is a mix of religion and basically a fighter's philosophy. So they have their own prayer, they have their 10 commitments, whatever. Nothing new has been created, but they have been quite brainwashed. That's what we keep hearing. And they have a lot of Nazi and some Scandinavian symbols that they use.